Settle in and prepare to be amazed by the extraordinary facets of life in Japan, a land where the unusual becomes the everyday. Imagine you're in Japan with only a couple of days to spare, yet an overwhelming desire to absorb as much of the country as possible. This might sound like an impossible feat elsewhere, but in Japan, thanks to the marvel of the Shinkansen or bullet trains, you can traverse vast distances in mere hours. These high-speed trains are the epitome of efficiency and technology, connecting cities like Tokyo and Osaka and extending as far as Hokkaido. While traveling the entire country in just 2 days is an overstatement, the Shinkansen makes it feasible to experience thrice as much as you could by bus or taxi. These trains, gliding at speeds up to 320 km/h, have an impeccable safety record, with no fatalities or serious injuries in over 50 years of operation. Now picture this. You're in Japan for a crucial business meeting and suddenly an ear itch becomes a significant distraction. Before you consider a costly visit to a doctor, remember you're in a country where even ear cleaning is an art. Ear cleaning salons in Japan offer a service far removed from medical procedures. In these salons, you lie down while an attendant gently cleans your ears with a traditional tool called a mimikaki, a bamboo, metal, or plastic ear pick. This process is so soothing that many customers find themselves dozing off. Dining alone in Japan is not only acceptable, but also catered to with special restaurants designed for solo diners. These establishments feature individual seating areas, separated by screens to ensure privacy and minimal interaction. This setup caters to the hitori-sama, or party of one phenomenon, where individuals indulge in activities alone, a concept that has become increasingly popular across various social scenarios in Japan. Taking a taxi in Japan introduces you to an unexpected level of courtesy and sophistication. Here, you don't need to open the taxi door. It's automatically controlled by the driver. This unique feature prevents potential accidents from manual door handling and is a small yet significant example of Japan's attention to detail and safety. Cat lovers residing with non-feline enthusiasts have a unique Japanese solution: cat cafes. These establishments emerged from the challenges of pet ownership in densely populated cities. For a fee, customers can enjoy the company of cats, engaging in playful or relaxing interactions, all while sipping on a coffee or tea. These cafes are equipped with various amenities, including charging stations for electronic devices and even massage chairs. However, there are specific rules to ensure the cat's comfort and safety, like mandatory hand sanitization and restrictions on picking up the cats. Karaoke enthusiasts who are self-conscious about their singing abilities can find solace in Japan's innovative Etiquette voice training Silent Karaoke mic. This ingenious device allows you to sing without disturbing those around you, reducing the sound of your voice by 70%. It comes equipped with a cone that covers your mouth and an earpiece, allowing you to hear your own voice clearly. Japan's culinary landscape offers more than just sushi and ramen. In Yokohama, for instance, there's a restaurant named Chinju-ya, meaning rare beast, that specializes in exotic and unusual dishes. Here you can sample fried crocodile legs, smoked snake tongues, grilled lizards, scorpions mixed with vegetables, and even giant beetles served on a bed of mashed potatoes. The most ordinary dish you might find here would be frog legs. This restaurant prides itself on serving some of the most unique and adventurous dishes in the world, attracting a significant tourist crowd. The Japanese legal system has its quirks too. Until recently, a law from 1948 prohibited dancing after midnight, a measure initially intended to combat post-war prostitution. This law inadvertently impacted various entertainment forms, including dance halls and nightclubs. However, after a petition led by musician Ryuichi Sakamoto in 2020, the law was amended, allowing clubs to operate round the clock provided they don't serve alcohol after midnight and maintain proper lighting levels. For those considering learning Japanese, be warned, it's one of the most challenging languages in the world. The written form, influenced by Chinese, is exceptionally complex, involving thousands of characters. The language's grammar is intricate, designed to express various levels of politeness and formality. If you're not planning a long-term future in Japan, or a career in manga, you might find learning Japanese a daunting endeavor. Perhaps consider a more globally accessible language like Spanish instead. Women seeking a royal treatment can find their haven in Japan's butler bars, a concept that flips the script on the traditional maid cafes. Here, women are treated like princesses by impeccably dressed butlers, responding to every ring of a bell. These establishments offer a fantasy realm where women can indulge in their grandest dreams, surrounded by divine pastries, exquisite decor, and a warm atmosphere. Even in the realm of robotics, Japan stands out. Narita Airport features a state-of-the-art security robot named Kobo, developed by Seacom. Equipped with advanced AI and 5G technology, Kobo patrols and inspects the airport, identifying and responding to unusual activities. Its infrared camera can inspect inside bins and detect heat signatures, making it an invaluable asset in maintaining safety and security. These are just a few glimpses into the fascinating, sometimes bewildering world of Japan. Each aspect, from high-speed trains to silent karaoke mics, reveals a society deeply committed to innovation, efficiency, and sometimes the sheer enjoyment of the unusual. Share your thoughts on these incredible Japanese phenomena in the comments, and don't forget to watch our other videos for more intriguing insights.